Hi students, welcome to BUA 231, Advertising Promotion and Public Relations. This course is an accelerated 7-week course. We have a Cengage book. You can find the textbook here. My office hours are 10 to 2, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. You can contact me almost anytime and I will respond within 24 to 48 hours. As long as you be sure that you put BUA 231 in the subject, it just is more efficient for me to respond to you. And then also, you want to download and read the syllabus. I'm located in William Atkinson Hall, room 226E. You can leave me a phone message, or I think sending a direct email is always best. You can get my email here or here. If you go ahead and introduce yourself, we can start the course. Seems like lots of people already started to do so, as well as me. And then maybe create a little community here, which is ideal. And then each week, you can correlate your modules 2 weeks, if you would like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This won't ever be revealed. This is for hybrid courses, so you can ignore that. So really there's 7 modules that we'll be focused on. The first one's revealed for you, Creativity, Branding, and Insights, which will correlate with the each of the chapters in your textbook, your Cengage textbook. Okay, I do put announcements up here, which will then immediately go to your emails. Peer Support Forum is for students who are curious or concerned about something and want support from their peers. I do go in there and will respond occasionally. Within each module, you have the chapters and the objectives outlined. I give you instructions, PowerPoint overview, or something else, depends. Resources show you anything relevant or supportive of the material that we're working on. And then also the instructions is where you want to start for each module. It tells you exactly what's expected, the point total, how to save files, sort of thing. Okay, each week or each module has assignments and sometimes a forum or a quiz. Almost every module has a quiz. So every week you're going to want to complete your work by Sunday midnight. And at the same time, that Saturday or Sunday, the following module will be revealed for you so people can work ahead. I'm trying to get some of these open early so that you can work at your own pace, which probably won't be too much of a problem. Look for that maybe in the next week or so. Okay, I look forward to working with each of you, and I wish you luck. Connect with me. Make sure you're participating. By law, I'm expected to report this, and it comes from the JetNet records. It's not just you logging on, but it's you contributing in order to stay in the class. Otherwise, you'll be dropped. My late policy, every week things are due Sunday midnight. If you miss that deadline, I give you up to 2 weeks for 80%. After that, it's a 0. So please just be very careful and make sure that you're not falling behind. And I think you'll do great to succeed. I look forward to working with each of you.